Hi everyone, I am Professor Shalini. Let's start with new unit of MQC, that is Introduction to Quality and Quality Tools. Let us see first point, that is basic concepts of quality. Okay. We all have probably felt that sense of disappointment when something we purchase does not live up to our expectations. We get disappointed in such cases. It could be a CD that is scratched and does not play properly, or it may be a new car with number of rattles, or customer service department would not return your call. Okay. At the heart of meeting such expectation is not notation of quality. Okay. What is quality? There are number of people explaining quality in number of ways. Okay, some think of quality as superiority or excellence, while other think that it is lack of manufacturing and service defects. Okay, and few thinks that quality is related to product features or price, etc. Okay. What is quality? Attributes are used to describe quality. Different attributes are used to describe quality, such as beauty, goodness, freshness, expensiveness, etc. Few more things are such as providing a good or usable product, or doing things right at right time, or perfection. We can also say that consistency can be also quality. Again, eliminating waste or speed of delivery, etc. are different parts of quality, or we can say that are attributes of quality. For example, total customer service and satisfaction can also be considered as attributes of quality, because people different people use different attributes to describe quality. Okay, therefore quality needs to be defined. As we all know, total most manager agree that main reason to pursue quality is customer satisfaction. As we all know, customer satisfaction plays an important role. Now we will move towards basic definition of quality. Quality. The American National Standard Institutions and American Society for Quality define quality as totality of features and characters of a product that bears its ability to satisfy all required needs. Okay, this is basic definition of quality. What is basic view of quality? It is satisfaction of customer need. Okay, and it is also generally called as fitness for use. Okay, according to Oxford Dictionary 2003, quality is defined as degree of excellence of a thing, or relative nature or kind or character of a thing. Also class or grade of something determined by this. Okay, now we will move forward. Now we will see definition of quality according to ISO 9000:2000. According to this ISO, degree to which quality is nothing but degree to which a set of inherent characteristics fulfill our requirements. Okay. As we all know, question may arise in our mind whether this quality is limited to manufacturing good or not. It is not limited to only manufacturing good. This quality concept is broadly used in many other disciplines such as sales and marketing, inspection and manufacturing, testing, etc. Again, purchasing, contract review. In our personal life also we use the concept of quality. Again, in human resource management, or handling, storing, packing, delivering, etc. In this all concept we can use quality. Thus we can say the quality is not a new subject. It is emerged out of various subjects. Okay. Now, who defines a quality? The Q lens. The what? Who defines the quality and what is the Q lens? Okay. Lens of an organization: product, people, processes. Hence, who define quality? The lens of organization. What are they? People. What which peoples are present, what processes they do, and what is the quality of final product. This all is nothing but Q lens. Okay, and what is lens of customer, what are outcomes, what are results, and what are benefits. Okay, now we will see next. Now what are customer behaviors? Okay, survey shows that 30% customer consider only the quality of product to buy. Okay, the good name and reputation of product is considered, and 90% customers buy just by hearing the name of good name of manufacturer. 17% is 17% decide the quality depending upon price, and 14% by products tire and taste features. Okay, now we will see, we have seen the definition of quality. What is quality management? Before moving to quality management, I will explain the different attributes of quality. Okay, attitude. As we all know, quality becomes a way of life. Okay, then innovation, everyone is involved in quality work. How integrity attributes towards quality, quality indicators are discussed in integrity. Again, information, how information is spread, everyone is trained in quality management. Okay, there are different more attributes such as relationship. Quality improvement terms are created in this relationship attribute. Again, goal and plans, in this all manager contribute to planning. Okay, now we will see quality management. In quality management there are three steps, that is quality management system, quality management system. First one, quality management. Okay, in this quality management, coordinated activities to direct and control an organization. Okay, this is regarded to quality management system. The system to establish policy and objectives so that the objective or set goals can be achieved. Quality management system, in this the management system to direct and control an organization. Okay, with regard to quality, what is about, it is about reputation. The reputation enjoyed by any organization is based upon the quality they serve to customers. Again, customer satisfaction. Okay, various human resources available in an organization, or price of their product, is it beneficial or not, it is seen. What are the facilities provided by an organization, what is liability of an organization, the different techniques which the organization use, various process followed by an organization. Okay, how, what is delivery pattern of an organization. Again, what, most importantly, what is quality of an organization, this all is seen, and this all decides the reputation of an organization. Okay, exploring reputation. Reputation can be good or bad. Okay, and can quickly become national reputations. Okay, suppose made in Kenya, made in Japan, we all have heard about made in China. Okay, this management of competitive weapons such as quality can be learned like any other skill. Okay, and it can be used to change our reputation also. Now we will see performance objective for quality. What are performance objective for quality? First one, quality must be right. Speed, as we all know, must be fast. Dependability, this depends upon time. Okay, flexibility means it must be able to change on required time. Okay, and cost, it must be beneficial, or we can say that it must be productive. Okay, next we will see, now we will see different dimensions of quality, such as first we will see performance. Okay, as we all know, performance depends upon basic operating characteristics of our product. Okay, second one is features. Okay, bells and whistles of project, we can say these are the extra features or extra items which can be added to increase the quality of product. Reliability, we can say that probability of products surviving over a specific period of time under different conditions of use. How our products sustain the different conditions, this can be depended upon liability of the product. Then conference, the degree to which physical or performance characteristics of our product match pre-established standard. How the pre-established standards can be matched with our existing degree of performance, or we can say physical characteristics also. Now we will see next dimension of quality, that is durability. Durability means what? The amount of which one gets from product before it is physically deteriorated or until replacement is preferred. What is lifespan of the product before replacement? This is an important dimension of quality. Okay. Next one, serviceability. What is serviceability? Easy of getting repairs, speed, competence of repairs. What is it? Is ability to which product can be repaired or quickly or easily. Okay. Then next is safety. What can be involved in safety? Freedom from injury or harm. It is safety. Okay. Other also are there, such as brand name. Brand name impacts our quality also. Our brand name indicates our reputation also. Then advertising. Okay. Thank you.